Born in Madeira, cold nights, hunger pains. Mama prayed while I trained in the pouring rain. No gold, just dreams in an old torn kit. Shoes too small, but my goals never quit. Left home young, heart broke at the gate. Cried in the dark, whispered this must be fate. Felt alone in a room full of bigger names, but I ran past them all through the doubt, through the shame. Tears of a champion, nobody knew what I gave up just to make it through. No spotlight, just pain and grit, but I kept on running, never planned to quit. Coach said you were too skinny, kid. Hit the gym, so I bled in the silence just to prove to him. No father around, just a ball and a prayer. Chased my worth in the game, no one else seemed to care. Wrote my pain in every kick, every touch, lonely nights, but I never asked for much. Cried when they laughed, smiled when it hurt. Built a legacy out the dirt, now I know what I'm worth. Tears of a champion, nobody knew what I gave up just to make it through. No spotlight, just pain and grit, but I kept on running, never planned to quit. For every kid with a dream and no voice, for every no that tried to steal your choice, this is proof pain makes the fire bright. From the shadows I became the light. Now the crowd chants my name in the sky, but the boy from the island still wonders why. Even champions cry, that's the truth, that's the plan. Behind every great man, there's a boy who ran.